Hey everybody, welcome back to Nerd Chic. Today I want to take a second to help some of you guys who are business leaders with Zoom. One of the things you may need is an audit of those folks that have attended your meeting. And so I'm going to go ahead and get a new meeting started and get in here. And whenever I got my new meeting started, I always stop my video. But the first thing I'm going to do is immediately go in here and manage participants. So there's my manage participants. I click that and then click chat so I can see my chat down here at the bottom. And then I'm messaging everyone, so make sure you see to everyone. I'm going to, text the chat. Hi, everyone. Where are you coming in from? Or text your email and location here for record of attendance. So I'm putting that out there for everyone to do. And then so everyone who's on, I can see them right here and I can make sure that they do this. But they should put in, I'm coming in from Alaska. So let's say someone's coming in from Alaska. And their email address is, Dustin at Dustin.com, right? And say put it in there. And everyone does that. Well, when they do this, guess what? All of this is being logged by the system, especially if you're recording. If you're recording, it's going to save all of this. But anyway, we've logged it. It's here. Now, watch what happens. When we close Zoom, quit Zoom, and then watch what happens. In meeting for all. Don't leave it. You got to hit in meeting for all. And then boom, look at this. Your chat is saved right here, guys. So then if you open this chat, look what you see. Right here you see that information. It is time-stamped, and it's kept in this folder for record. And of course, you can see the date modified on here, so you can know that this is indeed the meeting and it hasn't been messed with. You can then save that as a PDF if you would like. So you can export as PDF, and boom, you have your log and your record. And that's the way you do it. It's very simple to do. This doesn't have to be hard. That's the way we do it. Just tell folks, put in your location, your email address to show you're here. It's going to show that beside their own client ID with Zoom, and that is proof of attendance. You get out of there, turn that thing into a PDF, and boom. So let me just do that so you can see. So export as PDF, and then what do you got going on here? All of a sudden, meeting save chat. I'll put the time in here, 3:25. I'm going to put this on my desktop. Save. So there's my PDF. Look at that. And now I have a true record of attendance. Does that make sense? Hopefully this is helpful to you guys. For you business leaders, I hope this makes it make sense. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Nerd Chic, and give us a thumbs up for this recording. Put any comments you got in the comments. We love those, and ask for any tutorials you need. We'll make them.